Question 12. Find the values of y for which the distance between the points P 2, minus 3 and Q 10, y is 10 units. To solve this problem, learn this formula. Distance is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Given points P 2, minus 3, Q 10, y. Let the points be x1, y1, x2, y2. Given distance between the points P and Q is 10 units. We write PQ is 10 units. Here PQ is distance. We know distance is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Apply distance formula. It implies square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equals to 10. That implies square root of x2 is 10 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus y2 is y minus y1 is minus 3. As it is negative, put it in brackets. Whole square is equals to 10. That implies square root, this side becomes square. 10 minus 2 is 8 whole square plus y minus into minus plus 3 whole square is equals to 10. Square root, this side becomes square. It implies 8 square is 8 into 8, that is 64 plus y plus 3 whole square. See here, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Apply this formula, that is y is equals to a, 3 is equals to b, y plus 3 whole square, a plus b whole square is equals to a square, that is y square plus 2ab plus 2, a is y, b is 3 plus b square, b is 3 whole square is equals to 10 square is 10 into 10, that is 100. It implies 64 plus y square plus 2 into 3 is 6 y plus 3 square is 3 into 3, that is 9 is equals to 100. It implies here first we write y square plus 6y plus 64 plus 9 is equals to 100. That implies y square plus 6y plus 64 plus 9 is 73. is equals to 100. That implies y square plus 6y plus 73 plus 100. This side becomes minus 100 is equals to 0. That implies y square plus 6y plus 73 minus 100 is minus 27. Minus 27 is equals to 0. Here we split the middle term. We take minus 27. We write minus 27 as 3 into 9 is 27. We want plus 6. That's why we write plus here and minus here. See here. That implies when we multiply minus 3 into plus 9 is equals to minus into plus minus 3 into 9 27. When we add these two minus 3 plus 9 is equals to minus 3 plus into plus 9 minus 3 plus 9 is 6. Here when we are multiplying we are getting the last term. When we are adding we are getting the middle term. This is called splitting the middle term. That is y square plus 6y. We write it as minus 3y plus 9y minus 27 is equals to 0. Here we are writing plus 6y as minus 3y plus 9y. This is called splitting the middle term. Here this is the middle term we are splitting. That implies y square we write it as y into y minus 3y plus 9y minus 27 we write it as 9 into 3 is equals to 0. That implies here we take y as common from these two terms. We take y as common from these two terms. That is y into y minus 3 y minus 3 plus here we take 9 as common from these two terms. We get 9 into y minus 3 is equals to 0. That implies here y minus 3 we take it as common y minus 3 into remaining is y plus 9 is equals to 0. That implies here make individual terms as 0. That is y minus 3 is equals to 0 or y plus 9 is equals to 0. That implies y is equals to 0 minus 3 becomes plus 3. Y is equals to 0 plus 3 is 3 or y is equals to 0 plus 9 becomes minus 9. Y is equals to 0 minus 9 is minus 9. Here finally we got the values of y as y is equals to 3 or y is equals to minus 9.